Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you know how exhausting it can be to constantly create high-quality content, especially recipe videos. Filming, editing, lighting, retakes, it all adds up fast. And hiring freelancers? That can get expensive really quickly. So today, I want to share something incredibly useful for anyone in the health, fitness, or food niche who wants to grow faster without all the production stress. There's a new done-for-you system called Protein Meals Recipe Videos with Unrestricted PLR, and honestly, it's a game-changer. It gives you instant access to a massive library of professional, high-protein recipe content that you can use, edit, rebrand, or even resell as your own. No filming, no editing, no extra costs. You get 150 beautifully filmed HD recipe videos featuring everything from colorful breakfast bowls to hearty, protein-packed dinners. These clips are designed to grab attention on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, so posting becomes as easy as upload and go. On top of that, you also get 30 fully editable recipe ebooks across 3 popular niches: red meat, plant-based meals, and protein-packed breakfasts. They're clean, modern, and ready to customize with your branding. And as a bonus, they're including over 600 healthy cooking shorts and reels perfect for boosting engagement and keeping your content flowing daily without extra work. If you've been wanting to build a profitable health or food content business without the grind, this package gives you everything you need. I'll leave the link below if you want to explore it for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I always love hearing your thoughts. Catch you in the next video.